There's nothing like that sinking feeling when you walk outside and realize your car is missing. Happened to my buddy in college. He ran around the block twice, swore he must have parked it somewhere else. But nope, gone for good, thanks to an outdated anti-theft system. Old school anti-theft setups are pretty much the car equivalent of locking your diary with a shoelace. They might deter the laziest thief, but any semi-determined person with YouTube and 5 minutes can beat most of them. That's the painful truth. The numbers are pretty freaky. In the US, a car is stolen every 32 seconds. You think, won't happen to me until it does. The financial gut punch averages $7,000 lost per theft, not even counting the headache of dealing with insurance. Let's start basic. Almost every car since the late 90s has a factory immobilizer chip key. Cheap crooks have moved past hot wiring and now use signal boosters that trick your car into thinking the key is nearby. Like some annoying magician's trick, but not nearly as fun. A step up from there is installing a car alarm, but honestly, people have learned to tune out alarms like background elevator music. Still, it's a cheap start, and a visible blinking light might spook off less experienced thieves. Never underestimate the value of cheap psychology. If you want real peace of mind, invest in a GPS tracking system. These things can pinpoint your car in real time, so even if someone does swipe your Camry at 2 a.m., you can monitor it from your phone and hand the info to the cops instantly. One pro tip: don't hide the tracking device in the obvious spots, like under the seat or glove compartment. Any thief who's watched 2 minutes of TikTok will check there first. The more creative you get, the better your odds. If you're a numbers person, cars equipped with a visible steering wheel lock are 50% less likely to be stolen. That big yellow crowbar on your wheel? Looks ugly, works beautifully. Sometimes old hardware beats fancy tech in a pinch. Another physical solution is the humble kill switch. This is a wire hidden somewhere in your car, so if you don't flip the secret toggle, the car won't start. Extra 5 seconds for you, but potentially 20 frustrating minutes for a thief. Common pain point: those high-tech keyless entry cars basically broadcast "steal me" 24/7, and thieves love them. Buy a Faraday pouch for your keys, which blocks signals and makes relay attacks a lot harder. Costs maybe $10, saves thousands. Don't overlook your environment. I lived in downtown for years, and even a small street-facing camera above your parking spot can make thieves think twice. Footage is also handy if you need to show something to the police or your insurance agent. The highest impact move? Combine 2 or 3 methods: a steering wheel lock plus a tracker, or a kill switch plus a Faraday pouch. Thieves are lazy. They'll skip your well-defended ride for an easier target down the block 9 times out of 10. So are anti-theft systems perfect? No, absolutely not. But each upgrade you make shifts the odds in your favor and cuts your risk big time. Protect your ride like you'd protect your Netflix password, which statistically, we're also too lax about.